In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can access Google here on your PS5. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But to start off, what you're going to want to do is actually go up to the top right corner from your PS5 home screen and select settings and immediately go into your network settings. From here, select connection status and go to view PlayStation network status and scroll down to the very bottom of this page and look for this little tab right here where you're going to want to select blog. If you don't have the blog option, select about us and it's going to look pretty much the exact same, but essentially just scroll down until you see the option for all these different social media links. Go ahead and select YouTube. And once you do select YouTube, just wait for the page to fully load. It's going to take you to the PlayStation YouTube channel. Just select sign in up in the top right corner, and from here go ahead and select privacy. After you select privacy, wait for it to load and then select these little like 9 dots up in the top right, select Google, and now you have access to Google and you can search really whatever you would like. I'm just going to search, I guess, for myself real quick. Boom, done, and there we go. As you can see, it does work, and it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. And make sure that you are liking the video and subscribing to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.